50,000 years ago, our ancestors survived without a single wheel. No carts, no carriages, no rolling of any kind. Everything they owned, they carried on their own backs. If they wanted to move, they had to drag everything by hand. Even a short journey could take an entire exhausting day. Life was slow, heavy, and physically brutal. But humans were clever, and clever minds solve hard problems. The invention of the wheel did not happen overnight. It took thousands of years of small discoveries, one after another. It began, like many human breakthroughs, with fire. Around 50,000 years ago, humans mastered controlling flame. Fire gave warmth, safety, and the ability to cook food. But fire also taught them something else, something about round shapes. They noticed that round logs rolled more easily than flat ones. This simple observation would change the course of human history. But that discovery was still far in the future. First, humans needed to survive, gather food, and build shelter. They lived in small groups, working together to stay alive. Every day was about hunting, gathering, and moving from place to place. And moving heavy things was always the hardest part. Imagine trying to move a massive stone slab using only your hands. Early humans faced this exact problem again and again. Dragging heavy loads across dirt and rock wasted enormous energy. Sharp rocks and rough ground made every journey slow and painful. There had to be an easier way to move things from one place to another. Someone, somewhere, noticed that flat objects slide more easily on smooth ground. This simple idea became humanity's very first invention for hauling loads, the sled. A sled could carry more weight with far less effort than dragging alone, but sleds still created friction, rubbing hard against the earth below. On rough terrain, sleds could still get stuck or break apart. Humans needed something that reduced friction even further. That is when someone remembered the round logs from long ago. What if round logs were placed underneath the sled instead of on the ground? This idea led to the creation of log rollers, a major leap forward. As the sled moved forward, the round logs rolled beneath it smoothly. Suddenly, moving heavy loads required far less strength. But log rollers had one big problem. They kept moving out from behind the sled. Someone always had to run to the back and place the roller in front again. It worked, but it needed constant effort and extra hands. The rollers needed to somehow stay attached to the sled itself. This is where true genius entered the picture. Ancient craftsmen began carving the ends of the rollers thinner. This created a thinner center section, forming a simple early axle shape. The thick round ends could now spin freely around the thin center rod. This clever shape is considered one of the earliest true wheel and axle systems. Historians believe this breakthrough happened around 6,000 years ago. Interestingly, the wheel was not first used for transportation at all. The very first wheels were used by potters to shape clay. This tool became known as the potter's wheel. Spinning clay evenly helped ancient people make smoother, stronger pots. This shows the wheel began as a tool for creation, not just movement, but someone eventually connected these spinning discs to sleds. This idea transformed the sled into something entirely new. The wheeled cart could now roll continuously, without stopping to reset rollers. This was the true birth of the wheel as we recognize it today. Early wheels were solid discs, cut straight from thick tree trunks. These solid wooden wheels were heavy but incredibly strong and durable. Craftsmen soon realized solid wheels used more wood than necessary, so they began cutting 3 curved wooden planks and joining them together instead. This clever technique made wheels lighter while keeping them just as strong. Wheeled carts began appearing across ancient Mesopotamia around this time. This region is often called the cradle of civilization. Archaeologists have found ancient pictures of wheeled carts carved into clay tablets. These discoveries help historians date the invention with more confidence. The wheel was quietly becoming humanity's most important invention. But a wheel alone was not enough. It needed a partner. That partner was the axle, a straight rod connecting 2 wheels together. The axle allowed both wheels to turn together in perfect balance. Early axles were fixed, meaning the whole axle spun with the wheels. Later, craftsmen designed rotating axles, where only the wheels spun freely. This small change made carts turn corners far more smoothly. With the axle perfected, humans built the very first true wheeled carts. These early carts were often pulled by domesticated animals like oxen. A single ox could now pull loads that once needed many strong men. Farming, trade, and travel all became dramatically faster and easier. Villages could now trade goods with other villages many miles away. The wheel quietly connected distant communities for the very first time. But wheels were still mostly limited to flat, dry regions like Mesopotamia. Mountainous or swampy terrain made wheels far less useful there. This is why the wheel spread unevenly across different ancient cultures. Some advanced civilizations, surprisingly, never used the wheel at all. Ancient civilizations in the Americas built incredible cities without wheeled transport. They relied relied on human carriers, waterway, and clever engineering instead. This proves the wheel, while brilliant, was not the only path to progress. Meanwhile, in Mesopotamia, wheel technology kept rapidly improving. Wheels became essential for war as much as for farming and trade. Ancient armies built lightweight, fast-wheeled chariots for battle. These chariots gave certain armies a powerful advantage in speed. Wheel design kept evolving. Spokes replaced solid wooden discs. Spoked wheels were much lighter, allowing carts to move even faster. As centuries passed, the wheel touched nearly every part of daily life. Farmers used wheeled carts to bring larger harvests home from distant fields. Builders used wheels to transport heavy stones for massive construction projects. Great structures, temples, and monuments rose faster because of this simple invention. Trade routes expanded, connecting cities that were once impossibly far apart. Merchants carried goods further and faster than ever before in history. New ideas, languages, and cultures began spreading alongside these trade goods. The wheel became a bridge between different peoples and civilizations. Water wheels later emerged, harnessing rivers to grind grain automatically. This showed the wheel's genius extended far beyond simple transportation. Pulleys, another wheel-based invention, made lifting heavy objects far easier. Gears, built from spinning wheels, later powered clocks and machinery. From clay pots to clock towers, one shape kept reappearing everywhere. The circle and the wheel became one of humanity's most repeated ideas. Even today, nearly every machine still relies on some form of rotation. Cars, trains, and airplanes all still depend on wheels to this day. The ancient invention never truly disappeared. It simply kept evolving. What began as a round log by a campfire changed the entire world. It is remarkable how one small observation created endless possibilities. The wheel teaches us that curiosity can quietly reshape all of human history. Let's quickly revisit how this incredible journey actually unfolded. First, humans mastered fire, noticed round logs rolled easily. Then, they invented the sled to reduce dragging effort. Next, they placed round rollers underneath the sled for smoother movement. Eventually, they carved thinner axles, creating the very first wheel and axle system. Finally, they attached wheels to carts, transforming transportation forever. Each step built upon the last, one small idea at a time. No single genius invented the wheel, it was a shared human effort. Across generations, countless unnamed people quietly shaped this invention. Their patience and curiosity gave us a tool we now take for granted. Next time you see a wheel turning, remember this incredible journey. It started with a spark of fire and a single rolling log. It grew through sleds, rollers, and careful hands shaping wood, and it became one of the greatest inventions humanity has ever created. The wheel still carries us forward, quite literally, even today. A simple circle became the foundation of modern civilization itself. From a caveman's curiosity to the machines of today, the story continues. Thank you for joining this journey through one of history's greatest inventions. If you enjoyed this story, remember to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next episode, exploring another incredible human invention.